James Bedford was the first guy ever frozen, like cryonic style. He's been chilling in a freezer for over 50 years, like Sleeping Beauty. But instead of Prince Charming, he's waiting for someone to create a damn technology to revive him. Going from, "Let it go," to "Hello, it's me." Back then, a man named Robert Nelson was the king of cryonics in California and helped James fulfill his dream. But he wasn't your typical scientist. Nope, he fixed TVs for a living, no fancy degrees, and his lab was in a friend's garage. What could go wrong? Everything. But mostly, money. Today, the cost to freeze Grandpa go up to $200,000, plus life insurance, plus annual fees up to $700. Sorry, Grandpa, not this time. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It would really make me happy to know that you enjoyed everything. Also, I'm looking forward to your opinion in the comments. Tell me everything you think. Well, maybe not everything. So in the past, people didn't pay much money to be frozen for the next I don't know how many years. Eventually, the money ran out, and all the bodies that were frozen before 1974 thawed, except James, our Sleeping Beauty. 4 major companies run the cryo scene. Old James is chilling at Alcor, one of the 2 titans in the US. Unfortunately, experts believe he won't wake up to see how cool we look in Apple glasses. Basically, because the old school cryonics method is garbage. Sorry. But today's companies say they finally learned how to do it. So, how does it work? Their client is in hospital. 4 people come in and awkwardly stay there until the client is legally declared game over. He or she get an ice bath and head to the lab. Once there, experts use a special liquid to stop ice crystals from forming inside the body. Now, the client can finally rest in a chamber at negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit until nobody knows. Companies can't promise to bring someone's life back because as far as my Google search goes, they can't. Sketchy, you think? Huh. There's more. According to experts, none of today's companies will even be around when we finally figure out how to wake people up. Big question. Can we come back to life after being frozen? Well, Jean Hilliard did it. She was frozen after a night out with friends. Then, doctors put heating pads on her and she revived. Magic? No. Science. When she was freezing cold, her blood flow slowed down, so her body required less oxygen. She kinda hibernated. Yep, like bears. What happened to her might push us deeper into space. Wait, I promise it'll make sense. So, Mars. It's a big dream, but it's also a 7-month trip. During this time, astronauts have to eat and drink, meaning the spaceship needs a huge storage space. Then, NASA came up with a plan. Make astronauts sleep for 2 weeks straight in cool chambers. Not cool for yay, awesome, I mean cool like literally cool. The plan is to lower their body temperature to 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Astronauts are going to hibernate. Yep, like bears, like Jean Hilliard, and even like this cute lemur. By the way, this guy knows how to keep his bones and muscles strong during long naps. Figuring out his secret could actually be the key to keeping astronauts healthy in the sleeping pods. Animals can teach us plenty. Take narwhals. Say boo, and they'll freeze in fear for over 10 minutes. Or the Arctic squirrels, that are pretty resistant to hypothermia, and their heart can stop for 45 minutes. Humans can also do pretty amazing stuff, like freeze their eggs. At this moment, about 70% of women who do it before hitting 38 end up having babies. But one thing is thawing once frozen embryos. Reviving a human brain is some next-level Frankenstein stuff. Being defrosted is probably as bad as it sounds, leading to all sorts of buzzkill issues, like dementia. Even if they do manage to bring you back, would you still be you? Are you gonna stick up for pineapple on pizza? Or remember that time you accidentally liked your ex's photo? Ugh, it's really hard to say if memories and personality can be revived. In some way, it's like trying to wake up the unconscious. Even Freud would find it complex. Today, cryonic freezing is more like a leap of faith. It's part of our dream to become immortals. But what we're doing right now might be an interesting challenge for humans in the future. I mean, here, take these frozen people. Now you try to revive them.
That's it for today. So hey, if you pacified your curiosity, then give the video a like and share it with your friends. Or if you want more, just click on these videos and stay on the bright side.